the money.
So you've posted your video to YouTube, but it's not getting views. That is a bummer.
Huh? This is a bummer, man. That's a bummer.
So what can you do?
Get on Instagram, man.
In this video, I'll give you my 5 tips for advertising your YouTube channel on Instagram.
No, I give you my 5 tips for advertising your YouTube channel on Instagram.
How about this? We'll both give you our 5 tips for advertising your YouTube channel on Instagram. Sound good?
Sounds good.
So stay to the end of this video when Micah and I will give you some secret strategies for getting views on Instagram. We're gonna give you a little present that'll make it that much easier for you to get some views on Instagram.
So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe if you want, and share with your friends.
And come with us to the heart of the matter. Guys, YouTube is really hard, right?
YouTube is hard.
Yeah.
You put a lot of work into it. You get out, you do your vlog, you're teaching people things. You really feel like it's the one. And after all that work, the hardest part is getting people to watch it.
So Mike and I are going to give you our 5 steps for advertising your YouTube channel on Instagram. It's a great way to be able to get views for your YouTube channel. If you're new to Heart of the Matter, I'm attorney Ian Corzine, and I've been giving legal tips to creators just like you for the past 20 years. And today, we're lucky enough to be in northern Arkansas, and we have Micah Nichols of NickFam TV. What do you guys do over there on NickFam TV?
At NickFam TV, we do a whole lot of whatever we want to do, basically. We do family vlogs, we play games, we go travel, we challenge each other. Most of the time, we don't know what we're going to do, we just do stuff. But the most important thing is we make sure that people are living by the 3 L's. We love people, we live free, and we laugh more.
Micah, you have one of the most successful vlogs on YouTube, and we can learn a lot from you.
You know, I really appreciate that, Ian, and this is very exciting, but we got to get out of here and get to the creek. We got to do some playing.
Oh, okay.
So can we just get to this?
What are you guys going to do in the creek?
We're going to go jump in.
Oh, well, it is hot enough here, I tell you that.
It is.
All right, let's get to it.
Step number 1, set up your Instagram and IGTV business account.
Micah, why would you set up a business account as opposed to a personal IG account?
Because you can actually drop a link of the videos into your IG post, you cannot do that in a regular account.
That's right. So when you have a business Instagram account, you can actually drop a link to a watch more button so people can see your post and then push watch more and actually get a link to the video on the outside of the platform. So that's what you got to do.
That is good stuff right there.
All right. Step number 2, set up a landing link. Generally, Instagram does not allow you to have clickable links in the comment section of each post. So it's really good if you're able to post a link to your video, and the best way to do that is put it in your bio section. However, that can get kind of cumbersome every single week when you're posting a new video. So there's separate landing pages out there that you can set up so that they can go to your bio, they can click the link in your bio and be directed to another page called a landing page where they can actually access the link to your YouTube video.
Hey, you know, Ian?
Yes.
I actually use something called Linktree.
Linktree.
Yeah, and that's where you can actually put in multiple links to one landing page to different accounts even. You can go to YouTube, you can go to Instagram, you can go to Twitter, you can go to somebody else's account, you can go to a contest.
That's awesome. And then the other thing you can do, you can pay for that because that's like, what, $10 a month or something like that?
I use the free version.
Free version? Yeah, you can either do the free version of that, or you can actually just set up your own landing page on your website and you'll be able to do the same thing. So there's a lot of different ways, but the most important part about Instagram is that, again, you can't have links in the comment section. They're not clickable. So it's best to send them to your bio, and then from there, you can direct them to your YouTube video. The key to getting viewers off your Instagram account and onto your YouTube account is having a call to action.
Wait, Ian, are we doing that in step number 4?
Yes, Micah, but don't rush me, okay?
I gotta go to the creek.
Okay, Micah, let's take a break from the steps for a moment, okay? Because frankly, it looks like you're getting angry and I'm getting nervous sitting here in front of you. The point is, hey, are you guys going to use Instagram to sell your YouTube channel? If so, write Instagram in the comment section below.
Put those comments down below and let us know any workarounds that you've come up with to get yourself discovered. In the meantime, let's get out to that creek, bud.
All right, let's get right back to it, okay?
Step number 3, we're gonna write a hashtag plan.
Micah, what is a hashtag?
You've heard of hashtags. Hashtags are actually something that you can use to help guide people to your actual videos that you have or your posts on Instagram.
Do you use them on your channel?
We do use them. We often find that we are creating a strategy around our hashtags, which include what is our video or post about. So we like to put hashtags in. They're actually going to group other similar type of videos or posts together and lead people. If they do a search, they'll be able to find us through that hashtag.
Have you found that using hashtags for your channel, NickFamTV, is successful?
Most of the time, every hashtag that we have used has been somewhat successful. We've had some that are more and some that are less successful. The most important part for us is testing, trying new things, and don't be scared to step out of your comfort zone. But always think of your hashtag as something that you can use to get people to find you and get views.
I think that's a great plan. Step number 4, upload directly to Instagram. You know, Micah, I see how you do it. When you want to advertise one of your upcoming vlog videos, you often make a 10 to 15 second Instagram stories video to sell that YouTube video. Is that what you do?
That is exactly what we do.
Okay.
And we like to do 10 to 15 seconds, mostly because it's a moment in time where you can take a quick snippet and say something exciting going on. You're either going out to the creek and jumping in, or you found something new to share, or you may even have something to give away to these guys.
So really what you're saying, Micah, is that you want to share on Instagram shareable moments. Is that right?
That is correct. We use shareable moments on Instagram. Whoa, run to each other.
That was great. That was the epitome of a shareable moment. Micah, I have a power tip for you.
What is that?
Well, what this tip is watermarking your images on Instagram. The primary purpose of watermarking your images is, one, to protect your own copyright on your own art, but also it serves as another way to advertise your channel. For instance, if you posted an Instagram story that said NickFamTV in the bottom, you're protecting your art, but at the same time, you're advertising NickFamTV.
So what you're saying is our art is our post.
Your art is your post. That is the stuff that you have to protect. It's very important. Copyright law is very important. See my video on fair use here. And one more thing to remember. Whenever you're doing your Instagram post to share your YouTube videos, you need a call to action. You need to direct them to the YouTube site to be able to watch your video.
So you got to tell the viewers of Instagram to go and look at your YouTube video.
That's right.
Whatever source you're sending them.
Whatever source, whether it be a business account where you actually have a watch more button, or send them to your bio so they can use the Linktree application.
That makes sense.
But you need to get them, you need to tell them to go there, because otherwise they'll just like your photo. They won't necessarily jump to YouTube and watch your video.
I do find that if you don't say anything to let somebody know, that they just kind of keep going and
Exactly.
scrolling.
Exactly. Love it.
Step number 5, let's post and promote.
All right, guys, so now you have your Instagram business account, you've written your hashtag plan, you've done your 10 to 15 second teaser video. What do you do next, Micah?
Post and promote, bud.
Post and promote. What is that?
So what that is you actually take the image, you post the video, or the image I should say, and once it's posted, you'll have something pop up that says promote. You can promote that video or image for $5. You can do it a day. You can do it however long you want. $5. Your video is now posted and promoting. So then, if it gets going and you don't like it, cancel it.
Yep. You can always turn it off literally like a couple minutes after you put it up there. But what's so great about posting and promoting is you're accessing larger audiences than just your own followers.
And all they have to do is click watch more.
All they gotta do is click watch more, and it takes them to another web browser, and they can watch your YouTube video. So you're getting views on your YouTube video for a real cheap amount of price.
I like that.
You like that?
Ian, I have another power tip.
Okay.
But then I have to run for real.
Okay. You're gonna go to the creek
Actually,
again,
we're
huh?
gonna go swimming.
All right, in this outfit, huh?
Nah, I'm ready to rip this thing off. I'm out of here.
Micah, you have a very successful channel. You're almost at 10,000 subscriptions right now.
I think so.
It's
Right, Nature?
unbelievable. You're making money, hand over fist.
Money.
But let me tell you something. I have another power tip that could even make your channel even more successful than it is.
What's that, Ian?
And that is doing ads on Instagram stories. How you do it is you go on the Facebook Ads Manager, right? You take your 10 and 15 second teaser and you make that an ad. you can actually use that in the Facebook Ads Manager to be able to get more and more views. What's so great about it is there's not a lot of competition for ads in Instagram stories, so you can take advantage of that and be able to pay, I've paid like 20 seconds a view to be able to get more people on your YouTube channel, because when they click on that story, all they do is they swipe up and it goes straight to your YouTube account.
I love it.
Isn't that awesome?
That is awesome.
So maybe you guys should start doing that.
I think we should.
Even though that is the exact tip that Micah gave me about 3 months ago. And it totally works.
Hey, we're full of ideas that we forget. We get old.
All right, so now you guys know how to advertise your YouTube channel on Instagram, and now it's gift time. You like gift time, right?
Oh yeah.
It's a gift that will help you increase your YouTube views from Instagram.
Wow.
Pretty good, huh?
I like it. I want one.
All right. Guys, at the top of the description, there is a link to my free checklist on how to get more views on YouTube from Instagram. I suggest you go to this link, you download the free checklist, and you use it every single time you want to maximize the views on your YouTube account by using Instagram. For more in-depth discussion of the subjects that we talk about in my YouTube videos and free legal templates, go to my Facebook group. It is the Heart of the Matter social media Facebook group.
Awesome
there,
Facebook group.
You can talk with people like Micah and other friends, and you can talk about a lot of the subjects that we go over in our YouTube videos, and you get free legal templates.
Go to the group.
Micah is a member of the group, so you really have a fun time.
Oh, we're gonna have fun.
All right, Micah, will you do the honors?
Absolutely. And the honors you mean. Make sure you go and like this. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. Hang out with Ian more often. Guy's great. Knows his stuff.
And we're sweaty as heck.
Might as well do it. We sweat for you. Like, share, and subscribe. Do it.
And guys, while you're at it, if you're down with Heart of the Matter, then please give us a heart emoji. We heart you.
I heart you. You heart me.
Micah, we've been talking a lot about how to promote your YouTube channel on Instagram, but did you understand that your YouTube videos are your art and you need to protect that?
I learned that today.
Yes, so if you go to this card right now, you'll be able to understand what the fair use doctrine is. I recently made a video on fair use, and it's very helpful for those YouTubers that want to protect their art and want to understand when they can use it and when other people can use it.
I like it.
You should watch it.
I watched all of them. They're great.
Oh, it's so sweet. Thank you so much, Micah, for joining us on this Heart of the Matter video.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ian.
Yeah, NickFam TV is truly one of the best vlogging channels I've ever watched. So please, there is a link in the description section to your channel, and I want to make sure that everyone goes to NickFam TV and watches your family vlogs. You have a truly amazing family, and they're so fun, packed with shareable moments.
Come learn our story.
Yeah.
Join us, NickFam TV.
What do we do at NickFam TV?
We love people, we live free, and we laugh more.
Peace out.
Bye.